Today is a sad day for imagine the Hawking family and all nerds of all likes and races and cultures all over the planet Earth. Stephen Hawking passed away today, March the 13th, 2018. You know, he was born in 1942, and being that he was diagnosed with LAS at the age of 21, they gave him only a few years after that, maybe up until at the most till he was 25, 24 years old, and then they didn't really give him much to live after that. And he made it to the age of 76, I believe. Um, so I'm gonna keep this video really short and just give my respects to one of the most brilliant minds to ever grace us with his presence here on planet Earth, and now he's one with the stars once again. It's a very, very sad day for but yeah. So I'm going to have to reread this beautiful book, Stephen Hawking's The Illustrated Brief History of Time and the Universe in a Nutshell. This book just was pretty much it's the fucking like this book is because I'm a huge nerd. I love anything to do with the cosmos, the universe, why are we here, how we're here, all everything. This book right here really set the bar to my understanding of myself, my understanding of the universe we're living in, my understanding of how and why certain bits and pieces of matter interact with matter the way they do, and just I'm gonna have to reread this. This is a really mind expanding, an explosion. You know, if you haven't read the illustrated version of these books, they're just fucking beautiful. Just every other page is just littered um, with pictures and illustrations and examples, and it's just really beautiful book. So I'm gonna have to revisit this and pay my respects to Sir Stephen Hawking. May he rest in peace. The one with the stars once again. I just recently saw this film, came out in 2015. Some people aren't big fans of, uh, not like documentary films, but just films that try and portray a person's real life. And a lot of people are like, oh, it's just a film, it'll never be as real as this and this and that. But this film, I really liked it. It can be a bit dark at times. It can be a bit um, hard to sit through at times. But all in all, what I really do love about this film, with Eddie Redmayne and Felicity Jones, all in all, is that it ultimately it had Stephen Hawking's approval. And even when I finished watching the film, I was watching some of the behind the scenes on the Blu-ray, and Stephen Hawking would even be on set. I'm not saying he was on set the whole time, but Stephen Hawking would give his little 2 cents here and there. He, you know, try and guide the actor through the role of himself portraying, Stephen Hawking. And like I said, he wouldn't. It's not like he would be on set, every single day. Stephen Hawking would be on set every single day. But the film had Stephen Hawking's approval, and he saw the screening and he enjoyed the film, and it had Stephen Hawking's blessing and namaste, and you may walk through the pearly gates. So if you haven't seen this film, um, when the stars align, you should watch it because it's actually a really good, really neat film. I really enjoyed it. Um, so yeah. Stephen Hawking, sir, may he rest in peace.